Embarking on a wedding photography career is a fulfilling mix of artistic passion and capturing life's most memorable moments. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about how to start a wedding photography business. From developing your photography skills to managing the business aspects, this video will help you succeed. So, are you ready to turn your business idea into reality? Well, the first step is to register a limited liability company. And the easiest way to do that is with Northwest Registered Agents. Click the link in the description of this video and start your LLC today for as little as $39. And without further ado, let's get started. Understanding the wedding photography industry. To begin your journey, it's crucial to understand the wedding photography industry. Many successful photographers started as freelancers, capturing weddings for friends or family before transitioning into full-fledged businesses. It's not just about taking beautiful pictures. Understanding the market dynamics is key. First, start by researching local wedding photographers. Look at their websites, check out their portfolios, and note their pricing and packages. This will give you a sense of what clients in your area expect and what you'll be competing against. Pay attention to their style, the type of clients they attract, and their unique selling propositions. Your goal is to identify what sets you apart. Perhaps it's your artistic style, your competitive pricing, or the unique packages you offer. Knowing your competition helps you position your services in a way that stands out. Building your experience and portfolio. Experience is invaluable in the wedding photography business. If you're just starting out, there are several ways to build your portfolio and gain practical experience. One effective method is to work as a second shooter for established wedding photographers. This allows you to learn the ropes without the pressure of being the primary photographer and helps you build a portfolio. Make sure to get permission to use the photos you take in your portfolio. Offering engagement photo sessions is another great way to gain experience. These sessions help you refine your posing and lighting skills, and they can be offered as part of a wedding package to attract clients. Additionally, ask your friends and family if you can photograph their weddings. This can be a good way to get honest feedback and build your confidence. However, make sure you're ready before you start charging clients outside your circle. Starting part-time is also a smart strategy. It allows you to build your portfolio and gain experience while maintaining a steady income from another job. As you gain confidence and the demand for your service grows, you can transition to full-time wedding photography. Calculating the costs of starting a wedding photography business. Starting a wedding photography business involves several initial costs. Understanding these expenses will help you plan and budget effectively. The most significant expense is your photography gear. When you're just starting out, you don't need the most expensive equipment. As your business grows, you can invest in more advanced equipment. Other essential items include a computer capable of handling photo editing software, an external hard drive for backups, and reliable editing software such as Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop. Additionally, consider the cost of registering your business. In the US, this can range anywhere from $50 to $500 depending on your state. Professional liability insurance is also a must to protect against potential lawsuits and equipment damage, typically costing around $500 per year. Legal and financial setup. Setting up your business legally is crucial. Registering your business as an LLC can protect your personal assets from business liabilities. It also adds a layer of professionalism that can be reassuring to clients. You'll need to apply for an EIN from the IRS to handle taxes. Consider hiring an attorney to ensure all legal aspects are covered, including contracts and client agreements. Proper bookkeeping is essential from day one. There are several ways to handle your accounting. You can do it yourself using Excel, invest in accounting software like QuickBooks, or hire a CPA if your budget allows. Keeping track of your income and expenses will help you manage your business more effectively and prepare for tax season. Investing in quality photography gear. Your photography gear is one of the most critical investments you'll make. Initially, you can start with a basic setup, a good camera body, a few essential lenses, a reliable flash, and basic accessories like SD cards and a sturdy bag are sufficient. A 50mm lens is a great choice for portraits, while a macro lens can be useful for close-up shots of wedding rings and other details. As your business grows, you might want to invest in a high-end full-frame camera, a 24-70mm lens, and additional lighting equipment. Backup equipment is also essential. Weddings are once-in-a-lifetime events, and you need to be prepared for any equipment failure. Having a second camera body, extra batteries, and spare memory cards can save the day. Your computer and editing software are just as important as your camera gear. A powerful computer with enough RAM and storage will make the editing process smoother. Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop are industry standards for photo editing, offering a wide range of tools to enhance your images. Crafting your brand and online presence. Building a strong brand is crucial for differentiating yourself in a crowded market. Start by identifying your unique photography style. Are your photos candid and fun, or do they have a dramatic, fashion-inspired look? Defining your style will help attract clients who appreciate your artistic vision. Your business name should reflect your brand. Whether you use your own name or come up with something creative, make sure it's memorable and easy to pronounce. Check if the domain name is available for your website. Your logo should be simple yet professional, representing your brand effectively. A professional website is a must. It's where potential clients will go to see your work and learn about your services. Make sure your website is easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and showcases your best work. Include a clear call to action for booking inquiries and keep your contact information up to date. Marketing your wedding photography business. Marketing is essential for attracting clients and growing your business. Social media is a powerful tool for photographers. Instagram, in particular, is a great platform to showcase your work and connect with potential clients. Post regularly, use relevant hashtags, and engage with your audience to build a following. Partnering with other wedding vendors can also help you gain exposure. Reach out to bridal shops, florists, and wedding planners to see if you can collaborate on styled shoots or offer mutual referrals. Word of mouth is one of the most effective marketing strategies. Ask satisfied clients to refer you to their friends and family and offer incentives for referrals. Email marketing is another effective strategy. Collect email addresses from clients and website visitors and send out newsletters with special offers, updates, and tips. Providing excellent customer service is key to building a loyal client base. Respond to inquiries promptly, be professional in all your interactions, and go the extra mile to ensure your clients are happy with your services. Setting up your business website. A website is more than just an online portfolio. It's a vital tool for attracting and booking clients. Your website should reflect your brand and provide all the information potential clients might need. Include a gallery of your best work, detailed information about your services and pricing, and an easy way for clients to contact you. SEO, search engine optimization, ensures your website appears in search results when clients look for wedding photographers. Use relevant keywords and regularly update your content to improve rankings. Adding a blog to share tips and showcase recent weddings also enhances SEO and positions you as an expert. Getting legal protection. Contracts are essential for protecting your business and ensuring that both you and your clients understand the terms of your agreements. A well-written contract should outline what services you're providing, the payment schedule, cancellation policies, and what happens in case of unforeseen circumstances. It should also include clauses about image rights and how you plan to use the photos. Having a lawyer review your contract can help ensure it's thorough and legally sound. Starting a wedding photography business involves more than just taking beautiful photos. It requires careful planning, strategic marketing, and a commitment to continuous learning and improvement. By learning from this video, you'll be well on your way to building a rewarding business. So, are you ready to turn your business idea into a reality? Well, the first step is to register an LLC. And the easiest way to do that is with Northwest Registered Agents. Click the link in the description of this video and start your LLC today for as little as $39. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.